How to download and install Crunchyroll on a device. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To download and install Crunchyroll on a device, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps mentioned in the video. So first thing first, open a Google Play Store or App Store. So once you open it, on bottom of your screen, you will find different options. So on bottom middle, you will find the search icon. So tap on it and then tap on search box located on top of your screen. Now simply type Crunchyroll and then search for it. And here on your screen, you will find this app Crunchyroll. So tap on it and then tap on install. And once you do that, depending upon your internet speed, the app will be downloaded within few minutes to seconds. So simply wait for it until it get downloaded on your device. And then once downloaded, simply tap and open. So this is how you can download and install Crunchyroll on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.